So we got LeBron, we got Curry. That's either Kobe or Jordan. Let you guys pick.
Pretty chill guys, bro. I like their eyes too. Their eyes are a trip. What's up? Bye, bro. That's probably, this shit probably comes to life at night. Hell, frogs.
Hell yeah. Yeah. Watch out for the broken glass for his paws.
I don't know how I've been a full bar this whole time. Oh yeah, we can find crabs.
Crocs are not the best footwear for a glass beach. We're trying to find crabs. Where'd Tango go? He's exploring too.
Come here, fat boy. Dude, for some reason, there's hella dead crabs over there. Big ass ones, too.
Look at the way this glass like merged in with this rock. No idea what that is. We had a runaway dog trying to meet other dogs, so he had to go get him. Red ducks. Never seen red ducks before. Can't really make out the color on camera, but
He's chilling. I hope he's alive.
oh crap.
Let me see. I'll touch him, but I don't want to bug him too much. Oh yeah, I see his head right there. Let me get a picture of that too. Good, bro? Oh yeah, yeah. I see him. I'll leave you alone, dude.
How long that beak is, so I can stick it in the mud and get any bugs. The egrets are beefing. This one over here is fluffing his feathers.
Come here, Tego. Tego. Come here. Hey.
Yep, see? Beefing. It's my territory. Get out of here. It's my territory. Dang, it's aggressive. This place is huge. We parked way over there. We walked a lap all the way over there. Now we're back over here. You can keep going all the way over there.
Beef. Beef. Going after him.
I'm grateful for God. I'm grateful for family and friends. I'm grateful for love and food and nature and yeah. I don't know if you guys can see, but somebody has an alpaca. It's an alpaca. Oh shit! Tango!
Tego.
That's a big ass raccoon.
Tego.
Oh shit!
Tego. Get over here.
Dude.
Tego. 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 Sorry, bro. Get over here. I should have listened. Kept him on the leash. You freaking dummy. Bro leapt from the rocks. You got sea fleas all on you.